What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about a project that I said I was going to go into, and I'm glad that I am making this move now because I'm happy to see that it has come back, even as we didn't see it really skyrocket. I'm glad to see that we're now seeing this at a lower level. Now, just understand that what I'm doing is all on the basis, all on the understanding that I am doing this for myself, right? I'm not doing this for anybody else, and I don't want you guys to go ahead and purchase this just because of what I'm going all in on, what I'm deciding to buy or convert. Because I'm not spending any more money. I said I wasn't going to spend any more money, but I have switched some things around and moved some Bitcoin into this play because I feel like this is going to have a better move percentage wise than what Bitcoin will have. Bitcoin was just my store of value, which I know a lot of Bitcoin maxis will not like the fact that I'm doing this, but I didn't have a crazy amount in Bitcoin anyways. It's not like I had one full Bitcoin or two Bitcoin in my portfolio. So I was only using it as that store of value, which was climbing, and now I have a large amount to invest in other places. So let's talk about what I'm deciding to buy, which you probably already know is Teller, TRB. I talked about this plenty of times in my live stream, and I said that it was at a great price and where it was compared to the all-time high. We're going to have to take a look at all of that. We're going to take a look at the all-time high. We're going to take a look at the price movement. We're going to take a look at where I believe that this is going to go, as well as maybe even going into some predictions that they do have overall um, here. So let me go ahead and save this and make this a bigger screen really quick before we get into that. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Also, if you want to start using Margex, feel free to use my link to Margex and start trading with leverage. You can trade 5x, 10x, 20x, 100x if you want to, if you feel bold and you feel like doing that. I wouldn't recommend it, but yeah, there's that. But let's get into this play. The reason why I am so hype about this play and I like this play so much is because of one thing really, and that is the circulating supply. The circulating supply on Teller sits at about 2.5 million. And the growth that we've seen in the past shows that it can have a massive increase at times. And when we see the altcoin season, the true altcoin season happen, we should see Teller that truly does make a move. Now, again, this is just my opinion. I want you guys to make a decision based on what you believe within it. Don't just take my word for it and the fact that I'm going all in on something as the best news possible. I want to open the door for you to do the research. You walk through that door after you see everything, that you could get or you might not get, right? Weigh your options. So currently it's sitting at $95.54. In the last year, it's up 502%. If we look at how it's performed in the last day, it's down by 17%. So it has decreased from a $120 level down to a $95 level after you saw everything in the market drop. But in the last 7 days, it's down by 18%. In the last month, it's down by 13%. In the last year, again, it's up by 502%. And in all history, it's up, or sorry, not down, it's up by 502%. And in all history, it's up by 6,916%. You saw this start at a level of a dollar 40, a dollar 46 in 2019, and then really picked up to this high level. Imagine you go from investing a dollar into this play and it turns into something that's worth $120. Like that's huge. It's 120x from that level. If we talk about 100x, it would be $146. That would be a 100x there. But it did end up getting to that point. What it shows on CoinMarketCap is that it got to 216, which is not the clear picture that it got to. The highest price that this has been to was $602. And this was on December 31st, 2023. So 2 months ago, it ended up increasing to $602. From this point, if you invest $1,000, you could turn that into $6,000 at that level if that decided to go to that level. I honestly believe it can go a lot further, but we'll talk about that as we get into some of the predictions as well. Now, I decided to go all in on this. So on my Coinbase portfolio, you're going to see some things that are changed around. I have a little bit more in Harvest Finance. I do have Teller that's sitting again at this level of $4,914 or having 50 overall Teller. And the reason why I now have that much is because I feel like that's a great level, right? When it gets to a level of $600 or something, I can take out my initial investment. I can take out, $6,000, my initial investment plus a little bit of profit, and leave the rest that's in there and let that ride to whatever it's going to be. I like Teller. I wanted to hold more TRB, and this is the opportunity to do that with only 2 million total coins in supply. It just makes sense for me. And again, if you wanted a better picture of exactly where this has been, I want to look at maybe all history, and you could see how high this has gotten. It says 602, but TradingView has it listed at the highest point of $627 that it did get to. So it was very quick. So it's not really showing a lot of strength up in those areas. And it was something that fell really, really hard. And now is down to this level of $95. And I feel like within the altcoin season, we're going to see that absolutely explode to a whole nother level. So that's why I decided to kind of go all in on this play, believe in this play, and it's my decision to do so. Now let's also get into maybe a little bit of price prediction to show where others believe that this is going to get to. This is a price prediction from CoinMarketCap, from like the comment section area. You can see that in 2024, they believe the minimum price is going to be $664, maximum price of $337. And that still wouldn't be at a level of $1 billion market cap. Understand that. I'll show you what the market caps were at the peak point. If we look at 2025, they're saying a maximum price of $519 and $474, minimum of $428. And as you go along to 2030, you see $1,385, still not at a ridiculous market cap level. It's at like maybe $1 billion or $2 at that level. Then when you see 2030, you're seeing 1,385, 2,000, 4,000, 9,000, and again, you don't have a lot of supply, meaning you will not see a crazy high price, right? So that's something that I believe I bring up in my exit plan spreadsheets, where if I go over to TRB and you look at the price of $4,000 per coin, right? $4,000 per coin, and you see that it's worth a $10 billion market cap. That's not crazy. $1,000 price at a $2 billion market cap, right? So you see what this is worth. You see where this can go. Sorry, I said it wasn't worth $1 billion, but it is worth $1 billion up at those points. But the point is that it's worth a very low market cap comparable to a lot of things that are out there that see the same level of volume. So we can see a lot more, and that's why I decided to make a move into it, to go from 10 coins to now having 50 coins, to give me that option to gain maybe tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars from this play. So that's my opinion. That's where I see it going. Let me know what you think about this. Are you into TRB? Do you like this play? Do you like the fact that I moved some of my BTC over to TRB? I didn't buy anything new, but I did go all in from the amount of BTC that I took out and swapped over to TRB there. But I want to know your opinion, guys. I want to know what you see within it. If you see an opportunity, if you don't, then understandable. This is the play that I'm making because I see an opportunity. If you don't see that same opportunity, it's perfectly fine to, disagree on a situation. That's okay. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.